Hi guys, you are watching Encyclo Hub. My name is Priyanshu and in this video we are discussing the MBA Management and the Finance assignments. And before starting the questions, we are here for because we are providing all the assignments solutions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238 on the screen, and you can contact us by message and call also. And uh, and you need a different types of help also, so you can call us. And the question number one is saying define the term marketing, discuss the scope and the changing role of marketing in the current business and environment. And the second one is distinguish and discuss the concept of marketing versus concept of segment and explain their relationship in planning for a suitable marketing strategy. So this is from the MMPC 006, and this is the question one. And if you need answer, if you want to know the answer, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. So we will give you the answers in a PDF form. This is a paid service, so we will meet you soon in the next video.